Hi, and welcome to the Jingle Bells tutorial in which we learn how to play the Jingle Bells. We're going to start with the chorus. The chorus is the part that everybody knows, where it goes, Jingle bells, jingle, you get the idea. So anyhow, things you need to know to play this. If you have your fingers on the instrument, all 7 holes covered plus the back hole, low C. So let's start with that. Left hand, back hole, 1, 2, 3. Right hand, 1, 2, 3, 4. And when you put your pinky on, you should be able to hear it. So, I've got 7 fingers on there, and the reason I'm showing you that is because when I play D, that's D. D is middle finger, no back hole. So right now, the reason this is working is because it's against my face. It's in my mouth probably. And I've got my middle finger on the second hole. And I've got my thumb here. Now, you're not going to bring your fingers like that. You keep your fingers close to the holes. So when you're going from, that's the first thing that we're going to learn to practice. Because when you're playing Jingle all the way, you're going B, D. B, back hole plus the first finger. D, middle finger, no back hole. And that takes a little bit of coordination. So we work on that. Once you get that together, you go to the next part where you go 3. So 1 with the back hole, D, no back hole, 3 fingers with the back hole, 2 fingers, 1 finger. Let's do it really slowly. Let's play 1. Let's play D for 4 beats. Ready, go. Let's play G, 3 fingers with the back hole for 4 beats. Ready, go. Play A, 2 fingers. So you start to get the idea. The next section's pretty easy. 5 C's in a row, middle finger. Let's try that again. 5 C's and then 2 B's. Middle finger, and then 1 first finger. Okay? Ready? Go. One, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, D, remember D? Middle finger, no back hole. In the next section, exactly the same, except for that last measure, when we're going to substitute D, D, C, A, G, or D, 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 no back hole, C with the back hole, D, D, C, A, 2 fingers, 3 fingers. Good. We're going to do this slowly, the chorus, with a beat. All right. So I've got a beat on, and I'm going to play half-time feel, which means instead of going, quick, I'm going to play it slow. So it's going to be played about this fast. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. 1 D, 1 D. D, 3, 2, 1. Great. Let's try that first phrase again. From the beginning. We're going to try it together. Give it a shot. Ready? Here we go. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. 1D, 3, 2, 1. 1D, 3, 2, 1. All right. One more time. Same thing. Ready? Here we go. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. Here comes 1D. 1D, 3, 2, 1. C, 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 C. 5 of them. C, 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 B, B. Let's do that much again. C, 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 B, B. Again. C, 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 B, B. Again. C, 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 B, B. Great. We're going to try it from the beginning. Ready? Here we go. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. 1D, 3, 2, 1. 1D, 3, 2, 1. 5 C's, 2 B's. Ready? Here we go. C, 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 B, B. Great. That's the first section. We're going to try and play that first section. Are you ready? Starting on 1. 1, 2, ready. Here we go. Starting at the CCC part again. Ready? C, 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 B, 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 A, B, A, D. Going from A to D is kind of hard because you have to go from 2 fingers to the middle finger without the back hole. I'm going to try the C part again. Ready? Here we go. 5 C's. C, 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 B, 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 A, B, A, D. Let's try that again. Ready? Here we go. C, 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 B, 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 A, B, A, D, B, B, B. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. B, D, G, A, B. We're on the second section. Here comes the C. C, 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 B, 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 D, D, C, A, G. Ooh, my goodness, that part's hard. We're taking it from the BBD. Ready? BBD, D, C, A, G. Let's try that again. Let's try that end section starting on the B, the 2 8th note B's. Ready? Ready? B, B, D, D, C, A, G. Try that again. B, B, D, D, C, A, G. Do that again. whole first section. That's the whole chorus. So let's try and put that together. Are you ready? We're going to start on 1, B, 7 times. Ready? Excellent. In a moment, we're going to start working on the first section, the verse.